Hey friends, Miss Hendry here. We are going to look at our writing with phonics, page 15 and 16. All right, we're working on the letter L that says ol. All right, we're going to pull down for our lowercase from the top to the bottom. And then for the uppercase, we're going to pull down with a push across the bottom. This is a pretty easy letter to write. Pull down, pull down, pull down, pull down, pull down. Line 2, pull down, pull down, pull down, pull down, pull down. Line 3, we're going to do the capital L. Pull down, push across, pull down, push across, pull down, push across, pull down, push across, pull down, push across. Flip it over on the back and it says match the letters. This is the so you have the letter L here, the letter O here, and the letter T. So here's the letter L. We're going to look for the lollipop that has the other letter L. It's not necessarily capital or lowercase, but just a different L. I see one right there. All right, next we're going to look for the letter O, capital O or the lowercase o, right there. Next, I see the two T's that are left. All right, let's keep practicing our letter L's. Ready? Pull down, pull down, pull down, pull down, pull down. Capital L, pull down, push across, pull down, push across, pull down, push across, pull down, push across, pull down, push across. Next, we're going to write a blend. Ol, ah, la. Ol, I, li. Good. Capital L. All right, sweet friends, enjoy your day.